McBlush. Today I am going to recreate this very glam, very false lashes, very smoky eye glam look that Katrina is wearing in her slice TVC. If you are interested in seeing how I recreated this uber glam makeup look, then please keep watching. This is stress acne, guys. I have so much stress recently. I've been really stressed, but yeah, that's why these two pimples are here. I'm quickly going to show you a little clipping of the TVC of the look that we are going to recreate now. So we're just going to watch it together.
Excuse me, Katrina, slice is not thick कैसे?
रसीले आमों से बना नया स्लाइस है इतना थिक कि सोचोगे हाउ। ट्राई करो और खुद जान जाओ। Slice, the thickest mango drink.
Okay, so she has some smoky eye kind of a moment going on. So I'm going to work on the eyes first. Okay, so as you can see, I put these shields under my eyes so that whatever fallout I have it on the shields instead of my face, because it can be hard to remove sometimes. And as you can see in Katrina's slice glam look, she has a brown smoky eye going on. So that's what I did. I used the K Beauty eyeshadow sticks. I'm going to name all the shades in the description. So yeah, I just build it up on the brown color. And then I used this Colourpop Bare Necessities palette, and yeah, I just deepened the crease, and then I filled in my brows because it just gives me a better stencil to work with. So yeah, I stopped from the eye and I filled in my brows, and then I took my Dior kohl pencil and I just made a liner and I just blended it in to the brown so much that it literally blended in with the brown. As we can see in Katrina's slice look, she has a little bit of shimmer on top, like not too much but just a little. So I took like a silver coppery look from the Bare Necessities palette and just put that on the center of the lid. Then I moved on to my face. The first thing I used is my Too Faced Hangover X primer. It's my favorite primer, guys. And then I used my Tatcha silk canvas just around my nose and cheeks. I did not use any foundation because I don't really use foundation on a daily basis. So I just used my Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Vanilla and blended it in with my blendiful. So I went back into my eye and I just put kajal on my lower lash line with the same Dior kohl, and then I took the Body Shop Rose Dewy Mist and applied it on my face because my face was looking dry. Then I bronzed up my face using the Hoola bronzer, and then for my blush I took the Jouer palette that I love. I absolutely love this palette, guys. It's my favorite blush palette ever. And yeah, I just applied it on my cheeks, a little bit on my nose. I applied the eyelashes and you guys can see I couldn't believe myself that I did. Okay. So then I applied the Amazing highlighter. Katrina in her slice look did not have too much highlight going on. It was a pretty matte look, but I wanted to add some highlighter so that I can get some dimension. And then I went back to my Hoola, contoured my face a little and just bronzed up my nose because Katrina has a really thin sharp nose and I don't. Sorry about that. And then I just blended it in to make it look not so harsh. I smoked up my lower lash line with the same brown eyeshadows from the Bare Necessities palette, and that's it, guys. And then for my lipstick I found a pretty bang on match. It's Le Pondy by Nykaa, and it looks a little different in the camera on the screen, but it was pretty similar in real life. And that's it. I just zhuzhed up my hair, and that's it, guys. We are done with this slice look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for 1 million subscribers. It still feels like a dream, and I love you guys. Thank you. Bye bye. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.